Hello friends, I will talk today about bacterial growth kinetics and its questions related from microbiology. First question, when a microbiologist worked in lab, he leave all at 10 am. He had started culturing at 2 pm, half full. If generation time is 30 minutes, when it will full. We know that after 30 minutes, bacteria will divide. Bacteria will divide here given 30 minutes is the generation time, means after 30 minutes it will divide and it increase its population double. So we can say that 8 2 p.m. it is full half filled, then after 30 minutes it will fulfilled, means time at 2:30 p.m. it will fulfilled. So answer is 2:30 p.m. Second number of question is calculate total number of bacteria if the generation time is 30 minutes and initial number of bacteria is 10, and after 4 hour how many bacteria present in culture media. So we have a one equation, nt equal to n0 into 2n. Nt means total number of bacteria, n0 means total number of initial number of bacteria, multiply by 2 to the power n equal to generation time. Here generation time is not given, so we can calculate generation time dividing by 30 to total minutes, means 4 hours means 240 minutes, and 30 minutes is generation times, means we have 8 generation. So simply we put 10 into 2 to the power 8. So 2 to the power equal to 2 to the power 8 equal to 256. So 10 into 256 means 2560 bacteria after 4 hour will remain. Third number of question is calculate number of bacteria if lag period 30 minutes, generation time 30 minutes, initial number of bacteria equal to 100. After 5 hours how many bacteria will present in culture medium. So we know that there are three phases of microbial growth. First is log phase, lag phase, and second is log phase, and third is stationary phase. So we know that in lag phase bacteria will not divide, means its growth is zero. So we we will deduct total time 5 hours minus 30 minutes, means if the generation time is 5 hours, then only 4 hour 30 minutes may bacteria will divide, and in 30 minutes there are no division present in bacteria. So 4 hour 30 minutes if we will convert into number of generation, we will found 2 to the power we will found 9. Okay, so we simply put number of bacteria, initial number of bacteria equal to 100 into 2 to the power 9. When we calculate it, it will come 51200, means 51,200 bacteria after the time 5 hours. Third number type of question is calculate number of generation. We simply have a formula, n equal to log nt minus log n naught upon 2. Nt is the total number of bacteria and n0 is initial number of bacteria upon 2. Okay, total number is 100 million and initial amount is 100. So we simply put log nt, 100 million means 100 and million means 50, 1 2 3 4 5, 1,000,060. Okay, and then minus log 100 upon 2. So we have two equation. First one is 10 to the power 8 and second is 10 to the power 2 upon 2. Here log is present. Then we calculate, it will 8 log 10 means 8 minus 2, and log 2 value, log value of log 2 equal to 0.3. So we simply 0.3 add, and then it will at least 20 generation. So this is the formula and different type of question regarding the growth kinetics. Okay, thank you.